Guys, that's my brother in the background on the trampoline.
Oh God, I can't land on my feet.
Anyways.
As you knew.
So, I was watching some videos on YouTube today of some girls burping and stuff, and I saw I was on some, and I kind of miss it. So, we're gonna do that.
Guys, do not. Oh God.
This is called the flying monkey, guys.
Alright, here we go. Ah!
I don't even know. Justin, do the sexy dance.
No!
Do it. Do it.
Never.
Do it now.
Never.
Do it.
You can't make me. Please. See something funny?
Monkey. See? Monkey. Do.
Hey, monkey see, monkey do.
Justin has to do what I do. So, here we go.
Very simple. Oh wow.
Okay, he succeeded on that one. I'm old and I'm getting tired.
Oh no.
I'm too old for a trampoline. We're about to end this video.
Wait, before you end it. Since she's off.
2 hours later.
What?
We're gonna end this video.
What?
Eventually, we're gonna end this video. 3, 2, 1, go. So now we're gonna end this video. Yes, we are. I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of boring. But anyway, there was a few burps, a few flips, a few fun stuff in there. And we're gonna go now. That was a good one. Alright, goodbye!